Hi guys, welcome to another video, and we're going to go bird watching again, and it's almost dark out, so it's actually a pretty good time to go looking for birds because they're always out, and it's actually pretty cold out here. Oh, and I haven't got my binoculars here because I left them inside and I can't be bothered going back inside looking for them. Oh, wait. Do you see that bird? Do you see that bird right there? Oh, flawless. And again, the dead bird is still there. Poor buddy. Really poor bird. I actually want to see what happens. Bye. That car almost ran over the dead bird. Oof. Okay. Oh, take it. Ooh, birdie. Trying to find the bird. Why are they out? They're usually everywhere. Actually, they're usually everywhere. Joining of the power lines. Oh, there was one right there. It's like they're too far for the camera, literally. Let's go to the backyard. Hello. Any birds here? I don't think there is. Just a little bit dark in here. So dark right now. Any birds? No. Ah. Buddy. You can hear them. You can hear lots of them. There's birds just flying over there, but the camera can't. They're so fast that the camera can't even pick them up. What's annoying? Oh, looks like a scene from a horror movie, literally, just the way it's. Still no birds. There's one right there. Going up to it. See it on that power line right there? Yeah, right there. Right there. Alright, where did it go? I'm still there. Right there. It's a little bit dark. Let me try to get closer. Oh, dang it, it flew away. Maybe this actually wasn't a good time for the birds. Oh, and of course, this must have to be my video again. You probably can't see her. How are ya? Oh, you escaped my pet. Okay, I thought that was a bird flapping, but it was just a drain running. You can hear them, but they're just not out. Oh, there's one. There's one. There's one on top of that house. And I'm thinking to see it. Yes! Okay guys, I'll have to end it for this video. We only saw a couple videos. I hope you enjoyed this. We only saw like a couple of birds, but that doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed this. I surely did. And I am cold right now, so I'm going inside. Bye guys.